Yo, what up? Mark from Straight to You Tech. And I'll make this quick video because I'm so pissed off, man. I dropped my Galaxy Buds. They flew out my front pocket, out of my shirt, and I was like, damn. And when they dropped, this is real important, people. When you got these headphones here, they're gonna drop. They're gonna open really quick. The buds are gonna fly out, and then it's gonna close up really fast, almost like in the blink of an eye. And you'll be like, you just pick this up. Now I dropped mine when I was in the dark. Okay, I work at night. I had them in my front pocket of my work shirt. Went to bend down to get something. They popped out. They dropped. The earbuds went flying somewhere. And I just thought this stayed closed because it happened so fast. They opened, they flew out, closed right back up. And I was like, damn. So I just kind of picked it up. I saw it on the ground. I said, okay, cool. Picked it up. I inspected the case. Didn't even think to open it up. And I was like, damn, look at them scratches. And I was like, shit. I mean, my damn shit is scratched now. I was kind of pissed about that. Put it in my pocket. I walked off, and then later on I was just going to open up and see, make sure this thing can open up correctly because it got dropped or whatnot. And I opened them up, and them bugs was gone. So I had to go all the way back out into the parking lot and pick these things up. And luckily they didn't get driven over or anything like that. But as far as the buds themselves, they held up pretty well. Got maybe a couple little nicks on there and stuff like that. And let's see, this one. This one's okay too. Yeah, they look all right still. They still function 100% and everything like that. No loss of sound, nothing like that. No rattles or anything like that. But just remember that these things will fly out, and this thing is not secure. Just because you can kind of scrape up on it and say, "Oh yeah, this thing ain't gonna pop open." Bullshit. These damn things will pop open. Anyways, I was doing this video because I want to try to get rid of these scratches here. Now I'm inside my shop, and when I was on the internet, I read a couple things, not particularly pertaining to the Samsung Galaxy Buds case or anything like that, but just plastics in general. They say some, they got a couple of sayings on the internet saying if you heat up things, you can usually smooth out the little scratches and stuff like that. So I was willing to try it. I mean, you can buy this case again if you want to, probably from Samsung or somebody from eBay or something like that. But I was just gonna try a few things here. So what I was gonna do is I got a couple of tools here I can do. Now you might see this Benzomatic here. You're thinking like, oh, you're gonna use that to heat it up. That's not exactly the case. That's not what I'm gonna use. I'll show you what I got here. Now, this I work at an electronic shop, and this is a what can I say this is? This is a heat gun, but it gets hotter than your regular heat gun. Okay, you can adjust the temperature on this thing. I'm gonna tilt my camera real quick and show you what I'm kind of using. It's one of these 858Ds. It's a hot air station, and that's what I'm gonna use. So basically, you can focus your heat on whatever you're kind of working on, and that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to maybe focus a little bit of the heat on these sections right here, and see if I can get these scratches to smooth out, because it is just hurting my heart how bad these scratches are. I mean, if you take a good look at them, they're really scratched. You can feel the top of it a little bit like that, and it's got scratches on the other side, and I don't really care about the back. It's always been kind of scratched up. It's just me putting it in my pocket next to things and whatnot. But I'm going to try a few things here. And the key thing is to not turn this damn thing all the way up. Just kind of turn it to low and start from there. This thing has a particular temperatures that you can set it up to. You can set it up to, it's in Celsius, 100 Celsius up to 450 Celsius. So that's something you want to have in mind, when you're trying to fix something that's plastic. If you're trying to plastic weld or whatever, turn it up a little bit more. I'm just going to heat up a little bit, and this is my first time doing it. So if it comes out jacked up, then you know not to do it to yours. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on. Okay. And it's going right now. I'm going turn the temperature down a little bit. I'm going to start maybe with 200 Celsius. I don't know what that exactly is in Fahrenheit. Okay. And I don't know if you can hear this thing kind of making its noise or whatnot, but it's fairly hot. You know, the air's coming out right now. I don't know if I could show you how this thing does with heat and stuff like that. Look, I have a little plastic right here. I'm try to show you that this damn thing is definitely heating up some. Alright, got some plastic right here. And to show you that definitely the heat is on, look what's happening. Okay. See what it's doing to them bubbles and shit on this bubble wrap. That way you know there's some heat coming out of this, alright? So, what I'm going to try to do is just heat up this thing a little bit. See if I can smooth out them scratches. You know what? I don't know if it's working. Cause they always make these things, you know, resist a lot of heat. You know, if you left this thing in your car or whatnot, it's going to resist a little bit of heat. And that's what they wanted to do. So me putting this heat on here is probably not going to affect what it's doing. And it's probably not going to get rid of this big scratch right here. Heat up a little bit. Uh-oh. See something happening. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here because I don't think that's a good idea to do this. Alright, go ahead and turn off my heater because I'm thinking it's got some kind of coating on it or something like that. Maybe these scratches is a little bit too deep. I know there's some professional out there that repairs plastic and stuff, and they're probably like, you know, that's not what you do. You probably have to sand it down and then paint it and do all that kind of stuff. I'm aware how to do some of that kind of stuff. I just didn't want to do it on here. Plus, I don't know, once I paint over this, am I going to lose the Samsung branding and all that? Sound by AKG? I'm sure I'm going to lose that. I'm going to give up on the scratches. How about I just go to the Samsung store, probably go to Best Buy or something, probably go into anywhere and just get a brand new case because I loved how the case was looking. It was just nice to, you know, pull out and kind of show off. You know, you just kind of pop it over and be like, yeah, I got the buds. Yeah, you know, I got the buds. And then you just take it out and pop it in your ear or whatnot. That won't be happening no more because, you know, my case is just scratched up. It looks bad. Now I'm pissed about that. It still functions. It did hold up. It took a pretty good drop, and they're still cool. I still love them. You know, they took a little bit of a drop, but that's what the case is supposed to do. It's supposed to charge them up and protect them, and that it did its job, even though the damn things flew out. But if you're concerned about it flying out so bad, just take a little rubber band and just flip it around. You know, put it around them. Something like that. And don't do nothing stupid like put a piece of tape over the damn thing, because when you go pop them open, you're like, what the hell's wrong with this shit? You're gonna be like, you know, you're gonna pop them open like that, you know, with the tape on them, and then tape leaves residue and stuff like that, just like my fingerprints all over this damn thing. By the way, if you haven't seen my video about how to keep your buds clean and all that stuff, go ahead and watch it. I'll leave a link in the description. It's definitely keep these damn things clean. I did do a cleaning after they dropped because they were on the ground. I mean, shit, there's everything on the ground. Dirt, piss, germs, shit, whatever. You know, it's going to be on there. So, you know, I definitely clean my buds up. But that's all I'm going to say about this video. Hope you enjoyed what I was talking about, what I tried to do as far as fixing them. But my suggestion, if you want your case to be looking pristine, real clean, real shiny, and no scratches or dings like mine after you drop it, just go ahead and get a brand new one. Alright, Mark from Straight to Your Tech, and I'm out.